Is it time to buy or sell BigBear.ai Holdings stock? In this video, we will explore BigBear.ai Holdings in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 10th of January, 2025. Now we are prepared to offer you a more in-depth analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You certainly don't want to miss any vital updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 7th of November, 2024, our system has categorized BigBear.ai Holdings as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 2.47. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 86.74% since we initially recommended BigBear.ai Holdings as a buy candidate 43 days ago. This results in an average return of 2.02% each day since the stock was designated as a buy candidate. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of 120.64% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 120.64% to 249.48%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 12.66% over the next 12 months, with a potential return between negative 50.56% and 67.77%. This equates to a price range of $1.60 to $5.44 after a year. Our latest daily update for BigBear.ai Holdings features the headline, BigBear.ai Holdings stock price ended at $3.24 on Friday after losing 2.41%. The stock price of BigBear.ai Holdings experienced a decline of 2.41% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 10th of January 2025, dropping from $3.32 to $3.24. This marks the fourth consecutive day of decline. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated 7.55%, with a low of $3.18 and a high of $3.42. Over the past 10 days, the price has decreased in 7 instances, totaling a decline of 13.14% for that period. Notably, trading volume also decreased on the last day alongside the stock price, which is generally a positive indication, as volume should correlate with stock movement. On the last day, trading volume decreased by 25 million shares, with a total of 21 million shares being exchanged for approximately $69,300,000. In the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded stock price was $5.20, while the lowest was $1.17. Currently, the price sits 37.69%, or $1.96, below the 52-week high, and 79.90%, or $12.88, beneath the all-time high reached on the 6th of April, 2022, when it peaked at $16.12. BigBear.ai's stock, trading under the symbol BBAI, has experienced notable volatility recently. Just yesterday, the stock plummeted by 16.2% for the third consecutive day of losses, following a strong surge in December, where shares soared nearly 94%. This sharp decline can be attributed to significant sell-offs stemming from market reactions and possibly a profit-taking phase after a remarkable previous month. Earlier in January, BBAI's price dropped substantially due to reduced investor enthusiasm, fueled by disappointing performance metrics despite past optimism that had seen the stock nearing a 128% increase over the previous year. In the immediate term, this downward trend might further deter interested buyers, leading to increased volatility as investors reassess their positions following recent highs. Long-term, this fluctuation underscores the inherent risks associated with investing in speculative stocks, particularly in the artificial intelligence sector, which remains sensitive to broader market trends and shifts in investor sentiment. Overall, BBAI's current trajectory may prompt cautious trading as stakeholders critically evaluate future growth potential against the backdrop of recent performance. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 30th of December, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned a buy rating to BBAI, accompanied by a hold action. On Tuesday, the 15th of October, 2024, H.C. Wainwright again assigned a buy rating to BBAI with a hold action. Analysts have assigned BigBear.ai Holdings stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts rate the stock with a strong sell classification. The following signals have been identified for BigBear.ai Holdings. The BigBear.ai Holdings stock currently presents a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a conflicting buy signal from the long-term average. Given that the short-term average is above the long-term average, the overall indication is a buy signal, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Should the stock continue to rise, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at around $3.99. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the long-term average at approximately $3.15. A breakthrough above the short-term average will generate a buy signal, while a drop below the long-term average will lead to a sell signal. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been noted, which may affect the near-term trajectory. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Monday, December 30th, 2024, and since then, the stock has decreased by 32.64%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. During the last trading day, volume decreased alongside the price, which mitigates overall risk since volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 8 days ago. Bollinger also provided a buy signal 61 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 7 days ago. The long-term moving average suggests a sell signal from 45 days ago. Upon examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a sell signal from 3 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal from 69 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 84 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for BigBear.ai Holdings. BigBear.ai Holdings finds support from accumulated volume at $3.13. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. This stock may exhibit significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be at a very high risk. During the last day, the stock fluctuated by 240 cents between its highest and lowest points, representing a change of 7.55%. Over the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 13.43%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to external factors. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 6th of March, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at -5 cents. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for BigBear.ai Holdings is at $3.38. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, BigBear.ai Holdings faces its first support level at $3.13. If this support level holds firm, it could represent a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for BigBear.ai Holdings from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 6th of January, 2025, Long Amanda executed an insider sale of 66,140 shares of common stock. On the 3rd of January, 2025, Ricker Sean Raymond conducted an insider sale of 2,067 shares of common stock. On the 31st of December, 2024, Ricker Sean Raymond executed an insider sale of 1,033 shares of common stock. On the 31st of December, 2024, Blankenship Carolyn conducted an insider sale of 1,411 shares of common stock. On the 31st of December, 2024, Peffer Julie executed an insider sale of 3,001 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 93.338. Overall, insiders purchased 3,911,463 shares and sold 104,294,135 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $3.05, reflecting a decline of 5.98%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which translates to a higher level of risk. A sell signal has been generated from a pivot top identified 7 days ago. Is BigBear.ai Holdings stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level might present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for BigBear.ai Holdings stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, January 13th, we anticipate that BigBear.ai Holdings will open at 4 cents and start trading at $3.28. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not rely solely on the information from StockInvest.us when making your investment decisions. By utilizing this information, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.